Here, we will introduce the software configuration for motor control for the RA family. Please refer to the previous video for steps on importing sample programs using QE for motor. If the target project is compatible with QE for motor's software configuration feature, you can change the settings of each control parameter in the GUI block diagram and apply the changes to the source code. In this video, we are using the sample program RA6T2 sensorless vector control of permanent magnet synchronous motor. Select the target project and click the Open Motor Control Software Configuration button to open the Stacks configuration view. After selecting the FSP module for motor control in the Stacks tab, the FSP visualization view displays a block diagram for configuring the motor control software. If the FSP visualization view is not displayed, select the FSP configuration perspective or open it from Renesas Views, C++. Each setting item on the block diagram corresponds to a property of FSP. Clicking on a control block in the block diagram displays setting items in that block. When you change the values and click the Generate Project Content button, the settings will be output to the source code. In this way, if you need to change the control parameters, you can easily change the values on the GUI. You can complete the necessary subsequent development settings following the QE for Motors workflow. Renesas Motor Workbench is available as a development tool for debugging, analyzing, and tuning motor control programs. For more details about QE for motor, please visit the Renesas website.